Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Today's card features products from the Sweet Bugs bundle, which is in the new mini Stampin' Up catalogue, and also paper from the Mixed Up Patterns Designer Series paper. It's an easy card to make, very limited stamping, mostly die cuts, and I used a card that was featured on our Stampin' Up official Instagram page. I saw it there and thought, that is so cute, I have to make it. I changed the sentiment up, but it's cute. So I'm using a piece of basic white, thick white for my base, a piece of the Mixed Up Pattern Designer Series paper that covers the whole of the card, and then another piece from that Mixed Up Patterns paper which I've die cut using the textured notes dies. These little adorable little images here are from the Sweet Bugs bundle. That's the dies and stamp set, which is on page 42 of the catalogue. This is the stamp set here, although I know you can't see it that well. It's photopolymer. These are actually all just the dies, so there's a heap of dies in here. And this cute little fella is from one of the dies in here, and it actually cuts out 3 of these little images. Let me see if I can see it here in the catalogue. So if you have a look on the catalogue, it has this little these 3 little bugs down the bottom here. It stamps as one and then die cuts them all out individually. I've actually gone ahead already and cut them all out. So I've got 2 of them in here, that one, and then I've used that one with the little banner. I'm going to use that one now. So the die set has these really lovely dies which I've gone ahead and die cut in, I think it's Old Olive. Did I use Old Olive? Yes, Old Olive. That's Garden Green. And then the little flowers which I've cut out in Darling Duckling and Bubble Bath. Really, really pretty. Really pretty. Let's put it together. Really easy to put together. Let's put this one together first. Just going to, oh, I forgot to say, the birthday is actually from With You in Mind, not With You in Mind. It is from another stamp set. And what stamp set did I take that one from? Simply Said, which is a carryover from a previous catalogue. I have used this stamp set so much. This Happy Birthday is just the perfect size. And I die cut also a piece of basic white, thick basic white, using those textured dies as well for that one. Let's go ahead and put this bit together, and then we'll go from there. Super easy. I'm just going to use a little bit of Tombow to pop on here. Pop these on. I'm not using too much because I want them to be coming off the page a little bit. Okay, just make sure I've got that right about there. Yep, this one's going to be slightly below. Oops, slightly below. Then the last one, I actually cut that one in Garden Green, I think. It is Garden Green. It's just going to be a touch higher. Tiny bit. Okay. And here's our little flowers. They're very cute. Let's put them on with mini dimensionals, I think. Okay. If you haven't checked this suite of products out, or the Cute as a Bug, you don't have to buy the whole suite. I usually just go with the bundle and the paper if I don't like everything that's in there. But this has actually got beautiful little embellishments. They are little ladybug embellishments, so they're on page 43. I have put all the links in the description bar below anyway, so you can you can see them, but yeah, they're very cute. Very, very cute. This one I did, those are actually pretty in pink, but I decided to go with Bubble Bath. Can't decide which colour I prefer, Bubble Bath or Pretty in Pink. I like them both. I have to be honest, I like them both. Okay, and then shall we put these up on dimensionals as well, or not? Should we just use glue dots? Maybe we just put a little bit of Tombow on there, on there, on there, on there. I'm going to use the putty end of my take your pick tool to pick that up, so as not to get Tombow on my fingers. This would look really nice with some little embellishments on there too, but let's just keep it simple for the time being. Right, so like I said, these images cut out 3 and then they die cut each individual one out. I'm going to put this little one in this time. So I'm just going to put a little bit of balmy blue on here. I would normally colour before I cut, but time is of the essence when you're making a video, right? So let's go with, I'm using my Bubble Bath, Stampin' lens. Let's put some light down there. Oops, light on my little ladybugs. It's a little ladybug. It's just a little cute bug. Just going to go over this one a little bit darker. They're only fiddly. And then Strawberry Slush for the neck. It's so cute. It's so cute. Alright, I'm going to stamp the sentiment now in Night of Navy. Whenever I use Night of Navy, I generally always get it all over me, so let's just hope it doesn't happen today. These, like I said, are the Textured Notes dies, and I use them all the time. So I like the Night of Navy against the Balmy Blue Designer Series paper there. Let's go ahead and put the card together. So just half a sheet of thick basic white, scored in half and folded. And I've cut I like this side of it too. It would actually be quite nice with the reverse of the Balmy Blue in place of that one. So yeah, if you haven't checked out the Stampin' Up official Instagram page, it's worth having a look at because there's all sorts of really good ideas in there. And like I said, I'm just casing the image, copying and selectively editing. I changed the sentiment. And I'm going to put this on with dimensionals as well. Very spring kind of colours, although where I live in the world in the South Pacific, we are in summer right now, so we're going to get through another season before we get to spring. Yeah. Okay, so putting it just to, not in the middle, just over towards the right. Go, and this is going to go on with dimensionals as well. Did I put that one on with dimensionals? Yes, I did. I'm just going to put them either side there. Put that on there. Still, oh, might have that not in the right plant spot. Might just carefully lift that off ever so slightly and move it down a tiny little bit. I think that's right. You can just put it on straight on with your, oh dear, okay. Don't adhere the dimensionals first like I just did. That was not quite the cleverest move, Mary. Okay, it's all right. And then this little guy is going to sit right there like that, and it's definitely going on with some dimensionals. It's so cute. So cute. If you like cute images, then this is a great set for you. Put that there, and then the sample also had a little white baker's twine bow, so I couldn't resist a bow because I do like a good bow there. So, oops. Pretty cute, pretty cute. Oops, didn't do a great job of that. Fast forward if you don't want to watch this painful situation with bow. Glue dots. I'm looking for my Take Your Pick tool. Here it is. Just there. There you go. Cut that off to suit, and there you have it. Happy birthday card, or any kind of sentiment you like, featuring the Cute as a Bug or Sweet Bug bundle from Stampin' Up. I hope you like the video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thanks so much for watching, and have a really good day. Bye now.